So here we have the Audi A1 on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this boot space, and underneath this section we have our tyre inflation kit and a bit more storage space should you need to use it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have our controls to change the information displayed in this main computer section. Over on the right-hand side, we have stereo controls, and we have cruise control on the stalk underneath. Over in the center, you'll find the main screen for your stereo system. It's also on here, you can access any of these menus highlighted. This dial can operate everything on the screen, and these buttons relate to the 4 corners of the screen. For example, if I were to press the radio button and then show you up on the screen, you can see the different corners, including waveband, which is where you'll also see that we have DAB, FM and medium wave radio available in this car. Lots of ways to listen to your music aside from that. So we've got an SD memory card input, CD player, Audi's multimedia interface and Bluetooth audio as well. You can of course pair up your phone in order that you can make and receive phone calls and use the Bluetooth audio. You can change the driving setup of this car as well, and this screen will actually fold down out of the way if it's causing a distraction to you. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We have our hazard warning lights, CD player, 2 SD memory card inputs, the volume for your stereo, and all the controls I went through just a moment ago. Beneath that, we then have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. You can turn your air conditioning off, on again from here, and of course adjust your fan speed, or simply hit auto. The car has now taken control of this and this to maintain that temperature. Any manual adjustment will give you back control of those different settings. As you can see, we've got our heated rear screen. We can turn our traction control on and off. This drive select button does exactly the same thing as the car button here to bring up that information on the screen. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders and the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.